Happy Tuesday, everyone. Today, this is January 21st, 2020. This is something that I'm just doing. You know, I went to the grocery store, let's say a couple of days ago, and I tried to find the salt and vinegar season. Well, anyway, I just see a lot of YouTube people that eat cucumber with the season, with the salt and vinegar season. So you know what? I'm just gonna come up with my own little version of the season. And what I'm gonna do is, this is my first time, so don't get it twisted. So I'm just doing this, you know, to see how this is gonna come out. Instead of adding the salt and the vinegar season, the powder and stuff. And most people, what they do is they'll buy a cucumber and they'll kind of sprinkle the seeds on top of the cucumber. But anyway, here's my ingredient. I already measured my my lime juice, lemon juice, apple juice. And this is something I'm going to try out. Okay, so I measure everything. That's what you call the lemon pepper season. But anyway, so what I did, I just kind of add a teaspoon with everything. Teaspoon of the lemon pepper, a teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon lime juice, lemon juice, and this is the 2 teaspoons of the lime and lemon juice. Okay, so have you noticed that I'm not gonna add no salt? Because if you think about it, that lime juice and lemon juice got a little, you know, taste, and this probably got salt in it too. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my cucumber. Lord have mercy. Cucumber. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, now I slice my one cucumber up. So now what I'm going to do is, and I might add a little more of the lemon and the lime juice, because it look like it might not cover, because I think I got too much. But what I'm gonna do now is just kind of go ahead and I might have to get this what I'm doing. Okay, might have to transfer it to a bigger bowl. Okay, so what I did, I just transfer into a bigger bowl. Okay, just go ahead and add everything in it. I'm gonna add my seasoning. Okay, because I'm just gonna shake everything up. Okay, this is my apple cider vinegar. You don't need that much, I don't think. And yes, that's it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up, and I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. Let it marinate for how long you want it, you know, to get that vinegar, salt, seeds to take. But you know what I'm gonna do, you guys? I'm just gonna add maybe just a little sprinkle of salt. That's what I'm adding. Let's see, salt. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. Okay. Yeah, because you don't want to add too much of that vinegar, because I can smell it now. Okay, so you notice I just sprinkled the salt. So I'm gonna pause for a minute. I'm gonna shake it up and see if it needs some more juice in it, or lemon juice and stuff. Okay, so now if you can see, kind of shook it up, kind of get all the season. And these, again, this is all the season that I use. Like I said, again, I'm gonna name this this little side dish. I'm gonna name it cucumber with salt with lemon pepper season. So, and then again, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator, let it get all that little season that I add to it. Yeah, because really, only reason I'm making this video, because I did try to see if I could find the salt. See if I could find the salt and vinegar season. But anyway, so this is my version with the cucumber and stuff. So hope you guys try this. And if you guys does try this with all this, just drop me a comment below and see if you like it. And I'm telling you, do not add no more of this, because it's the right measurement with the lemon, lime, the apple cider, the lemon pepper, You see the call coming in? Oh my God, Jesus, messing up my video. But anyway, yeah, so you guys try this, and like I said, drop me off a little comment down below and stuff, and see how do you guys like it. Again, this is my first time doing this, so you know, I don't know how I know one thing, the season is real good, so don't add no more season. But anyway, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share my channel with your friends and family. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Yeah, don't forget to turn on your notification bell for the latest video I upload on my channel. You know what's cooking in my kitchen. And today I might make some chicken wing. Yeah, some fried chicken wing. So I might. But anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And you guys have a blessed Tuesday, January the 21st, 2020. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.